Hey beauties, it's Riri, and today's video is all about the brand new Gourmande Girls Calavera palette. I am not going to be long-winded. If you can tell, I am very, very sick right now, but I know how important this particular launch is for Christina. It is a dedication to her heritage and to her grandparents. So I'm going to speed this part up. I'm not going to be talking through the looks, and these are going to be solely eyeshadow looks. But as soon as I saw the palette, I knew instantly the types of looks I wanted to do with this palette. So hopefully you guys are okay with that. I'll pop on swatches, deets, and everything else. Again, I do apologize, but I did want to get this video up for you guys. I'm also going to make this a premiere since I'm not going to be able to connect and chat and talk with you guys here. So hopefully you'll join me on the premiere. If you're watching this right now in real time as it is launching, you can click right down there and click live chat, and we can actually chat together live. Here is the color story. Again, I will pop up all of the deets as well as swatches, but because this is so incredibly important to her and because I'm so inspired by it, I did at least want to do some looks with you guys. So I will show you what shades I'm going to be using. I will swatch them collectively as the couple, the duo, the trio, whatever on my hand, and then we will do a quick eye look. Again, solely eyeshadow. You can go in and top these looks with eyeliners, gems, mascara, lashes, so on and so forth. I'm really just trying to be cautious because I'm very sick. So here's the palette. Good luck on the launch, Christina. I love you. This was gifted, and I do have an affiliated code, RIRI10, for 10% off. Let's dive into some deets. Thank you, beauties, for joining. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your home best beautiful.
From the brand, meet Calavera, our Day of the Dead palette. A calavera, or skull, in the context of Day of the Dead, can refer to any artistic representation of skulls, or skeletons, or gifts of sugary treats called sugar skulls. Calaveras represent deceased souls during Day of the Dead celebrations. Day of the Dead, or Dia de los Muertos, combines the ancient Aztec custom of celebrating ancestors with All Souls Day, a holiday that Spanish invaders brought to Mexico starting in the early 1500s. Dia de los Muertos is like a family reunion, except our ancestors who have gone before us are the guests of honor. This year, I invite you to celebrate this joyful occasion together with me as I share this special launch that pays tribute to my heritage, to my grandparents, Antonio and Paulina, whose names are in the palette, and to all of us who have lost loved ones, no matter our beliefs. Calavera is our larger than usual palette and definitely larger than life. Whether you celebrate the Day of the Dead, spooky season, both, or nothing at all, this launch is for everyone. It launches Friday, September 27th at 8 a.m. PST, 10 a.m. CST, and 11 a.m. EST. It is $64.99, and you can use code RIRI10, of course, for 10% off. Let's dive into some looks.